Development kagad. Tingnan natin kung okay itong adjustment.
Let's see what EAC will do on their first attack. It's Christ Fernandez. Yes! Baka sa tres. A while ago, he was able to hit that jump shot. Tumuloy-tuloy si Fabian. Circus shot there by Jeric Fabian works for him.
I like the aggressiveness of Fabian. Ganyan din sa last game.
Kanina tinawagan si Estacio ng unsportsmanlike foul. Lamino, tumunsayak. Can he make it back to back? He does! Yes! Baka sa tres. San Sebastian 19-13 nung larong yon. Munsayak hinahabol na mas malaking kinto, but Munsayak nakapuntos 8 na.
Pero kita mo naman ang EAC.
They have a fresh 14. Ortuste, ganda nung up fake. Ortuste lumapit, ganda nung hanap sa kanyang partner. Talagang ang ganda nung tandem itong dalawang to, no? Ortuste and Tustelo.
Hindi naman niya pinapahiya itong teammate niya.
Ortuste has all week to shoot. And yes, baka sa tres. Pangalawa na yan, na 3 puntos ni Jamil Ortuste. Not strike the iron while it's hot, but Preta can also join. And he does. Pangalawa na yan ni Spencer Preta. Pounds yun si Bradwin Mendez. Sa parang free throw si Jericho Diego. Munsayak nag-isip pa. Pero binitawan. At ilista mo na. Onwubere. Alam natin may dribbling skills itong si Onwubere. Tumuloy-tuloy. Unang 2 puntos pa lang yan ni Sydney today. Jamil nahirapan dahil kay Onwubere, balik kay Jamil. Preta ang hahanapin nila. Why not? Keep on shooting it, young fella. Nanunod din. At si pumped up kick, si Martin Sultan. For San Sebastian, that is San Sebastian's 15th turnover. Pascua nagpakawala ng tres.
So talagang the small guys, 1/4 left. So Jamil picking up where he left off noong first half.
Bulanari, tumuloy-tuloy. And there he is again. As we approach our final 2-minute mark here in the 3rd period, Onwubere again. Ulong si Mejos, kailangan nilang itawid na bola. Natawid ni Jenmar Bergais. The bounce pass by Ginto, nabalik kay Ginto, napaganda pa. Attacking, the kick out to Pascua, to Munsayak, who fires away. Yes! Baka sa tres. On ABS-CBN Sports. Ang EAC, si Onwubere may 10 puntos na. Bulanari is given daylight. Yes! Baka sa tres.
Either player ayaw mag-foul out dito. So baka nga mag-relax sila medyo on defense.
Ortuste, 1 minuto na lang ang nalalabi sa ating laro ngayon. Ortuste, the stop, the pop, that could be the dagger. That's right, he was the slasher. And our final score, 91-77.